Hi there. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make an origami rose. So you can make things any size. I've got 3 different sizes here, and it's very simple. All you need is a piece of paper and some scissors so that you can cut your paper down to size. So in order to make the big one, I took a piece of paper, just a regular size piece of paper, and folded it over so that you get a square, because you need a square in order to make this. So I just folded it over and cut off the edge here, and that's how big your rose will end up, is that size. And then this little one with the piece of paper that was left over, again, I just folded it over so that you get a square and cut it off, and that makes one this size. And then for the medium size, I took a piece of paper and I folded it in half, like so, and then took one side of your paper here and folded it over so again you get a square. So those are the 3 different sizes that we ended up with here. So I'm going to show you how to do the medium size one. So you need a square of paper. If you've got specific origami paper, that makes it very easy, because then you don't need to cut your paper down to size. You can use any paper. This is just colored printer paper, so it's pretty thin. Thinner is probably better than thicker paper, just because you'll get more crisp lines. But all right, so this is how you do it. So the first thing you want to do is fold it on a diagonal so that it's like so. Open it up and fold it the other way. So now you have an X in your paper. So you open it up like so, and then you have to fold it into the center and bring these 2 points together and do the same thing on the other side so that you end up with a triangle. And this is what it looks like on the bottom. And then you just fold that down so that your points are all crisp, and then you end up with a triangle like so. Then you take one side and fold it up to this point, and then do the same for the other side. This is only so that you have this crease here. So you open it back up, and then you take this side and fold it in so that you end up with this point touching there, and you get a square shape here. And you do that on this side as well. So you've got 2 squares in your triangle. Then you open up the top layer of your square and fold it back to the corner on each side. So it looks like that, and you fold up the center here, like so. Then you flip it around and you do the same thing on this side as well. So you've got that folded up on each side, and then open that up to the crease and fold it down so you end up with a square. And then fold up and fold up. Fold this one in the center. All right, so now it's going to look like that on both sides. Now you take one side and you fold it over, and you take the other side and you fold it over so that those pieces are now tucked in here. And then we're going to fold this in and then this side in. So you have your diamond shape here in the center, and then fold the inside up like that, and then flip it around. Do the same thing again on this side. And so now you've got kind of like a paper boat shape. So then you fold this over, flip it over, and fold that side. And then this part is the trickiest part here. You want to open up this bottom here so that you have a square. So that is a little tricky. So you just want to open it the best you can so that it lays mostly flat on the bottom, like so. So that's what your bottom looks like, and then you flip it over, and there's your top, and then you just take this and twist it. There's the center of your rose. Then the side pieces will start to come up, and then you just twist and twist and twist until you've got your rose forming here, and then just fold your petals on the outside back a little bit, and there you go. There is your origami rose. That's all there is to it. Thanks. Bye.